it's Carrie from Musselman Library, and this module will demonstrate how to search for book format research resources using the library catalog. The library catalog is a searchable listing of books, videos, CDs, and other library materials physically sitting on our shelves here in Musselman Library and in other campus locations, as well as thousands of electronic books from nearly every academic discipline with instant access to the text of the book via your web browser. You can access the library catalog from the Musselman Library website in the section labeled Find Books and More. When you arrive in the library catalog, you'll see the advanced keyword search screen as your starting point. A keyword search is great for when you're trying to search for books on a concept or idea. You'll see multiple search boxes, but it's okay to just use one. Tabs across the top of the search screen show you other kinds of search options, like title or author. You can open the search tips out to the right for help in formatting your search. And you have options for limiting your search at the bottom to make your search more specific. So unless you're searching for a specific title or author, a keyword search is a great place to start. I'll search for the phrase carbon footprint. And I'll use quotation marks to make sure that the catalog searches for these words together as a phrase, rather than each word separately. I'll click the search button. My search brings back 137 hits. Results can include many different kinds of sources, including fiction, nonfiction, scientific and technical writing, reference sources, children's literature, and more. One result of this search was the book Live Sustainably Now, A Low-Carbon Vision of the Good Life. Clicking on the title of any search result will bring up more information for that item. Here's a bit more detail for this book. We can see the author listed first, then the title with the author's name repeated. Imprint means the city of publication, the publisher's name, and the year of publication. To see even more information for this book, click on the Full Record tab. On the Full Record tab, we see location, call number, and status. Location and call number will help you to locate the book in the library, and status will tell you whether or not the book is available and on the shelf for you to check out. We can see that this example, the book is checked out and due back in December. You also see the subject headings, which are lists of the topics primarily addressed by this book. We can also see a physical description, including a number of pages, the size of the book, and whether or not there are illustrations. A summary, which is just what it says, a paragraph where you can read about the content of the book. Some books will also include a table of contents on the Full Record tab. This book doesn't include that, but many of them do. Let's scroll back to the top and click Back to Results in the top center to look at another example. Here's an example of scientific and technical writing, and it's an ebook. The book Carbon Footprints, Case Studies from the Building, Household, and Agricultural Sectors is available as an ebook from one of our many ebook publishers, and you can access the complete text of the book on your computer or laptop or mobile device by following the View Online link here in the center of the screen. Let's go back to the results once more. The library catalog can connect you to two different networks of Ohio libraries from which you can request books and other library materials. OhioLINK, which is a large network of many of the Ohio college and university libraries, and SearchOHIO, which is a network of many Ohio public libraries. At the top of every catalog search results screen, you'll see the Search OhioLINK button. Clicking this button from any search results screen will pass your search through to the OhioLINK catalog, searching within the holdings of libraries like Ohio State University, University of Toledo, and even nearby at the University of Findlay or Ohio Northern University to see what might match your search. Our search on carbon footprint turned up 137 results in the Bluffton Library Catalog, and in the OhioLINK Catalog, the results typically number much higher than that. The search example we're looking at now comes up with 261 results. Because of COVID-19 precautions, there are many OhioLINK libraries which have chosen not to lend their library materials at this time. Still, though, 261 is a great example of the additional resources available to you. For example, how many of these books which mention carbon footprint also mention food? Watch while I adjust the search by clicking on the advanced search link here in the center of the screen. And then in the second box of the advanced search, I will type in the word food, and then click the search button at the bottom of the gray search box. From those results, 53 of the items also mention the word food, and so let's take a look at an example. The book, The Food Activist Handbook, Big and Small Things You Can Do to Provide Fresh, Healthy Food for Your Community, is an option from this list. As before, clicking on the title will show us more information about this book. Here's the title and author, along with the publication information near the top of the page. Further down, you can see the paging, contents, summary, and subject areas addressed by this book. At the very bottom, we can see which OhioLINK libraries have requestable copies. As long as at least one copy is marked available, you can request that a copy be sent here to Bluffton for you to use. Scroll back to the top of the screen and click the Request It button. A pop-up window will open, and you should choose Bluffton University from the list of schools and institutions. Then enter your name, last name first, and the complete number from the back of your Bluffton University ID card, beginning with 21195 and continuing with 9 additional digits. The pickup institution and pickup location are chosen automatically for you, so when you're ready, click the green Submit button. You should get a confirmation screen that looks like this one, showing the institution which will be sending a copy of the requested item. Requests usually take between 3 to 5 business days, and when the book arrives, we'll notify you in your bluffton.edu inbox. Thanks for watching.